For a dairy cow, daily routines are calm and relaxed. But behind the scenes, a lot of time and effort are decisive in dairy production. After all, smooth and seamless processes are key factors in a dairy farm's success. Raise your business to a new level. Speed up production processes and increase efficiency sustainably with the P7550 vertical lift milking parlor from GEA's Dairy Parlor series. Its compact yet flexible side-by-side design can be perfectly adapted to suit mid to large-sized herds. All the equipment is clearly arranged for an optimal milking routine. To ensure fast cow flow, the vertical exit gate lifts in a matter of seconds. Cows move quickly and comfortably along the wide entrance, each to their own milking stall. The milking process is completely stress-free from start to finish. Each cow is gently guided into the next available milking stall. Optionally, the group indexing function adjusts the contoured exit gate individually, so each cow can be gently pushed into the ideal position for milking, no matter what its size. Make every milking session a user-friendly experience. Short distances ensure fast, convenient completion every step of the way. Safe and easy access to each cow and an unobstructed view of the cow's udders enable quick, comfortable cluster attachment. The robust stainless steel covering fully protects the components while reducing ambient noise. The vertical exit gate lifts in just seconds, so immediately after milking, each cow is free to return to the barn comfortably and quickly. Trouble-free cow traffic means you can milk your entire herd faster than ever. The sophisticated design of GEA's P7550 milking parlor also makes cleaning simple. Stainless steel surfaces and level floors are especially easy to keep clean. Regular rinsing cycles and GEA's CIP cluster holder guarantee impeccable hygiene at all times. Whether milking takes place for a few brief milking times per day or constantly up to 24 hours per day, every day, the GEA DairyParlor P7550 with vertical lift will take your dairy's production and efficiency to a whole new level.